Are you an MNPS educator looking to bring computer science to life in your classroom? Imagine your students building and programming robots, solving problems, and exploring technology in exciting new ways. With Metro Nashville Public Schools Computer Science Lending Library, you can access highly engaging computer science resources tailored for students from pre-K through 12th grade. Reserving a kit is simple. Just visit our DSI Instructional Technology SharePoint, and you'll be on your way to transforming your lessons with hands-on interactive tools. Scan the QR code or visit the link on your screen to get started. Our lending library offers something for every classroom, whether you're new to computer science or looking to take your lesson to the next level. Need more information? Contact us at computerscience@mnps.org. Let's make computer science an unforgettable part of your students' learning journey. Brought to you by MNPS Computer Science Lending Library, where learning meets innovation.